Do dentures wreck your natural teeth? Hi, my name is Mark Banks, and I had an interesting question the other day from the patient, and I think it's a very valid point to cover this topic. They asked me, will dentures wreck their natural teeth? Yes, they'd lost some teeth over the years, and they really wanted to preserve what was left. And they were under the impression that having a denture with metal clips would rub and wear the teeth away. Now let me cover a few topics around this issue. The answer is no. If made correctly, a denture won't ruin the teeth, as long as it is made properly. That is the big but. Now, there's a few things that I think a denture can do for your teeth. Now think of the denture as a brace or a support. The denture will actually stop teeth from moving, from spreading out or crossing over and drifting apart. So the denture is very good at stabilizing the teeth. Now also I have seen, if you have a tooth that's a little bit wobbly, okay, and you place a denture in, that denture, as long as it's not putting too much active pressure on the tooth, can actually help maintain that tooth for a longer time, because it acts as a brace, as two walls, and it stops the tooth from wobbling, which in turn gets looser and then eventually has to get removed. Now, I'm definitely not saying that a denture will save loose teeth, but it will prolong the life of it if the circumstances are right. Now, remember I was saying that the denture needs to fit properly. If you have a suspicion, if you think one of your teeth is getting sore from too much pressure from the clip or the plastic, then definitely don't let that be. Go and see a dental prosthetist or a dentist. A dentist will be able to do x-rays and fillings, so they actually may be able to help you a little bit more than a dental prosthetist. But in saying that, it's important to get a professional expert opinion, because you want to make sure that the denture is in fact not destroying the tooth. So you would be the best judge of this. If you once had a tooth that wasn't sore, you got a new denture, and then the next thing the tooth is sore, well, it points to one thing most of the time, and that is, yes, the denture is in fact causing too much pain, causing too much pressure. But you know what? It's a very easy fix. It may be a simple 10-second fix of loosening the wire a little bit, cutting a little bit of acrylic out of the denture. These things can relieve the pressure and cause instant relief. So don't let it be. Get to someone and have a look so you can prolong the life of your natural teeth. Now, just because you've got a denture, that doesn't mean you need to neglect your natural teeth. And you might be thinking, Mark, of course not, why are you suggesting that? And the reason is because I see this all the time. I see patients get their dentures, they then think, well, they don't have to worry about their natural teeth because they can just get a new tooth added to the denture. And I just want to beg you, that's totally the wrong mindset. Your natural teeth are going to be anywhere from 80 to 90% better than the best denture in the world. Think about that for a second. The very best denture in the world will only be 20% as good as your natural teeth. No matter who makes it, no matter how much money you spend. So that right there tells a story. That tells you how important your natural teeth are. So make sure you find a dentist that you trust, a dentist that you enjoy going to, and do those checkups every 6 months, every 12 months. Do these things so your denture can actually be supported by your natural teeth. Now let me tell you, the amount of patients I have who have no teeth at all, they have full over full dentures, and they would want nothing more than even 2 teeth on each jaw. Because they understand that once you go from a partial denture to a full, it's a total different ball game. You see, the denture is now going to go from having metal clips around 2 anchor points to stop swiveling and movement to nothing. Absolutely nothing. So the denture is now going to be sitting on a flat, basically a flat surface, a flat bit of tissue. And we expect that the denture is not going to move every time we talk and eat. Now, every time you talk and eat, your tongue moves. When your tongue moves, the denture moves. So this is why it's very, very important to hold on to your natural teeth, look after them, spend more money than you ever have on your natural teeth, because the last step in this road, the last final destination is a full denture. And yes, while they are great, if you can prevent from getting there, you're only going to help yourself. Well, there you go. There's some little tips and tricks and just questions that I get asked from the patients that I see in my clinics every single day. I hope I've been able to give you some education, and thank you for watching, and until next time, keep smiling.